Liliput Timeline. Credit Cornell Lab of Ornithology. Human activities could change the pace of evolution, similar to what occurred 66 million years ago, when a giant asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs, leaving modern birds as their only descendants. That's one conclusion drawn by the authors of a new study published in Systematic Biology. Cornell University Ph.D. candidate Jacob Bervin, University of Bath Prize Fellow Daniel Fields suggest that the material-induced mass extinction, aka the KPG event, led to an acceleration in the rate of genetic evolution among its avian survivors. These survivors may have been much smaller than their pre-extinction relatives. There is good evidence that size reductions after mass extinctions may have occurred in many groups of organisms, says Berv. All of the new evidence we have reviewed is also consistent with a Liliput effect affecting birds across the KPG mass extinction. Paleontologists have dubbed this phenomenon the Liliput effect, a nod to the classic tale Gulliver's Travels. Smaller birds tend to have faster metabolic rates and shorter generation times, Field explains. Our hypothesis is that these important biological characters, which affect the rate of DNA evolution, may have been influenced by the KPG event. The researchers jumped into this line of inquiry because of the long-running rocks and clucks debate. Different studies often report substantial discrepancies between age estimates for groups of organisms implied by the fossil record and estimates generated by molecular clocks. Molecular clocks use the rate at which DNA sequences change to estimate how long ago new species arose, assuming a relatively steady rate of genetic evolution. But if the KPG extinction caused avian molecular clocks to temporarily speed up, Berv and Fields say this could explain at least some of the mismatch. Size reductions across the KPG extinction would be predicted to do exactly that, says Berv. The bottom line is that, by speeding up avian genetic evolution, the KPG mass extinction may have temporarily altered the rate of the avian molecular clock, says Field. Similar processes may have influenced the evolution of many groups across this extinction event, like plants, mammals, and other forms of life. The authors suggest that human activity may even be driving a similar Liliput-like pattern in the modern world, as more and more large animals go extinct because of hunting, habitat destruction, and climate change. Right now, the planet's large animals are being decimated: the big cats, elephants, rhinos, and whales, notes Berv. We need to start thinking about conservation, not just in terms of functional biodiversity loss, but about how our actions will affect the future of evolution itself.